So last time we left off, we saw that the knee itself had about 15 thousandths over 8 inches of twist about the y-axis. So how to deal with that? Well, basically what I did is I inked up the sides of the columnways and used that to give it initial print on the inside dovetails. And then that showed me which side I needed to scrape down. So I used a little small straight edge, and I several passes, and I took off about 10 thousandths off one side to give it the right amount of twist in the one direction. And then yeah, so then we put it back on, and we can see twist is now down to right about 2 thousandths or so here. So making progress.